Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
2012. That campaign, silly as it may be, has been running for an impressive 5 years now, having been introduced at the Cannes Lions Festival way back in 2012. And now, the brand is upping the ante by extending the gag to the packaging, and rolling out specially marked left and right Twix packs.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why did this all happen? The official story is that the company's founders, Seamus and Earl, fought soon after starting the company and each manufacture one of the bars, which are combined into each pack. That, of course, is a lie, or at best a half-truth.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Smoking Twix bars is the new robbing a B and H gold from your nan. For those of you who want to try this at home, pro tip: don't. All you have to do is get your Twix, bite both the ends off and then light it like you would anything else. There's even 2 in a pack just in case you screw up the first one.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fans of the chocolate candy bar will have to decide which bar they prefer. For everyone having a tough time choosing, Twix is prepared to help fans pick which side is right, or left, the company said.
Let's help you make your mark.
The product originated in the UK in 1967, and early ad campaigns in Britain and the US emphasized the word mix, so it might be that Twix is a portmanteau of twin and mix, or twin and sticks, referring to its pair of bars and mixture of ingredients.
Let's help you make your mark.
They're completely identical, one user says, while another asserts, the left Twix starts as a cookie, then it's covered in caramel and dipped in chocolate. The right Twix starts as chocolate and someone carefully pushes the cookie inside, using caramel to prevent the cookie from crumbling.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Your taste buds have detected a very subtle change. Twix is now made using the global signature recipe and has a more satisfying crunch in its biscuit, alongside the chewy, creamy caramel. A recipe which is loved by consumers around the world.
Take our lead.
It seems that almost immediately after Twix was unveiled, the company's 2 like-minded founders, Seamus and Earl, fell into an abyss of irreconcilable disagreement. Left Twix flowed caramel on cookie, while right Twix cascaded caramel on cookie. Left Twix bathed in chocolate, while right Twix cloaked in chocolate.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.